If you own an auto service related business, this can be an auto repair shop, a tire shop, a muffler transmission garage, an auto body shop, or any other type of auto garage business, you may be questioning, what's the difference between garage insurance and garage keepers insurance? They sound like the same thing, right? Well, not exactly. And in this video, I'm going to explain the differences and the similarities and what you need to know coming right up. Hey, thanks for watching this video. My name is Coyle, and I hope you find this video informative and valuable. If you do, can you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button? That'll help signal to YouTube that this is good content and direct other business owners to it in the future. Thanks. So let's get into it. The term garage liability and garage keepers may sound similar, but they are two different coverages often found on the same policy, usually called a garage policy. Garage liability will cover the liability exposures of a garage or auto-related business. This includes the premises risks in and around the shop, including the typical slip and fall type claims that can occur, as well as auto liability claims that can arise while you are operating a customer's car on a test drive. If the garage also owns vehicles such as a tow truck, they would be covered under the garage liability section of a policy as well. Garage keepers insurance, on the other hand, covers the potential physical damages to your customers' vehicles while in or on your garage property. These are your risks of comprehensive and collision. Two separate coverages, one focused on liability, the other on physical damage, which is another way of saying comp and collision. Now, garage keepers insurance can be written either on a legal or a direct primary basis, and let me explain the difference here. Legal garage keepers is common and it's cheaper than primary, but it's not better. Legal means that your insurance will kick in and cover your customer's vehicle for physical damage only if you were legally negligent in causing the damage to the vehicle. Here's an example. You'll lock your customer's vehicles in a well-lit, fenced-in lot overnight, and a vandal climbs the fence and damages a bunch of cars with spray paint. That claim for damages to your customer's cars is not going to be covered under a legal garage keeper's policy form. You did everything you could to protect those vehicles, so you weren't negligent in that loss and your policy won't cover the damages. That means your customers will file claims on their personal auto policies, and it may trigger their rates to go up and they're going to have to pay their deductibles out of pocket. How happy do you think they're going to be in that situation? I can just see the social media posts flying around bashing your company and how they had to pay for damages to their vehicles which were in your custody. That's going to hurt your reputation and the trust you've built up in your community, and ultimately it's going to damage your business. The second type of garage keepers coverage is direct primary coverage. Under direct or primary coverage, it doesn't matter whose fault or negligence caused the loss. Your insurer is going to pay for physical damage claims, the comp and collision, of those customers' vehicles while those vehicles are in your care, custody, and control. Yes, primary is a bit more expensive, but in my opinion, it's worth it. No potential gap in coverage, no hassle if the claim isn't covered by legal, and it helps protect your business's reputation you've worked so hard to establish. Not sure which form of protection you have? I'd suggest reading your policy or actually calling your agent to find out so that you don't get caught in a situation like I described and having angry customers scorching you on social media. Have other questions or concerns I didn't cover here? You want to get a quote on your garage policy? Looking for garage insurance for the first time? Give me a call or drop me an email. In fact, there's a link in the description box below where you can book a call directly on my calendar. I promise, no hardcore selling, just a conversation to see if we might be a good fit for you and your business. I work across the country, so give me a call. Thanks.